Welcome back, kids, to Grasp English class. Today, our topic is again auxiliary verbs, and in that, we are going to study do versus does. So, here we are going to learn when to use do and when to use does. And after using do or does, whether the verb form gets changed and how it gets changed. We are going to learn so many things in do versus does. So, first we are going to learn that do is used with I, they, you, we, okay, and does is used with he, she, it. It means that do is used with plural and does is used with singular. And with I also we are going to use do, though it is not the plural. Okay, I is not the plural. So see here in do or does. See auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, rest. Rest means the object of the sentence. So here first we are going to study with the do. Do you read books? See here. Do you. With you we have used do. Read books. Do you read books? So it is a question. It is an interrogative sentence. Okay. So here if I am answering it, yes, I do. No, I don't. It means yes, I do. It is an affirmative sentence. That is a positive sentence. And if I am saying it no, it means it is a negative sentence. So I am going to write here no, I don't. We are going to make that not in apostrophe like N apostrophe T. Okay. Next is does. We are going to now learn does. Does Peter play football? It is the interrogative sentence again, the question sentence again. But see here with does, we are using play. Does Peter play football? Yes, he does. Okay. So see here in this we are going to learn the interrogative, affirmative and negative sentence. All three sentences together. Like see here does Peter with singular. Peter is a noun and it is a singular name. Okay. So here with Peter we are using does. So does Peter play football? Yes, he does. With he we are using does. No, he doesn't. It means with he again we are using doesn't. Okay. To make it in negative sentence. See here we are going to learn again one example for do versus does. For example of do. I do not play cricket. It is a negative sentence as not is coming here. So I do not play cricket. So here I is coming. That's why we are using do. Do I play cricket? It's an interrogative sentence. It means question sentence. So do I play cricket? We do not eat food. Do we eat food? See here with we also we are using here do. Okay, and in does, for example, we are going to learn example of does. He does not bring food. Does he bring food? So see here, does he bring food? Okay, with he we are using here does. She does not kill birds. Does she kill Sarah? So see here, again here she, he, Sarah. These all are the singular noun. Okay, so with that we are using does. Again, we are now going to learn that it is a present simple interrogative. Do I get up at 7 o'clock? Do you have dinner at 7? Do we watch television in the evening? Do they go to bed at 10 o'clock? So see here with I, you, we, they. With these words we are using do. So answer. For example, if we want to answer, so we are going to answer like yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. So it means it is a positive sentence. So first we have learned about do with the interrogative and then we have learned that in positive sentence. Now with negative, no, I don't. No, you don't. No, we don't. No, they don't. So see here again we are going to learn with few example of do and does with negative questions and short answers. That is positive. Okay. So I, you, we, they. We are using here don't in negative. I don't play football. You don't like action films. We don't have lunch at school. They don't drink pineapple juice. Okay. Now, if I want to now make it in doesn't negative, okay? He doesn't play football. She doesn't live here. It doesn't have lunch at school. So, it doesn't drink pineapple juice. It's a negative because here we are learning not. Now, next is question. So, it is an interrogative. Do I play football? Do you like action films? Do we have lunch at school? Do they have lunch at school? Okay. Now, does. Does he live here? Does he play football? Does it like action films? Okay, like this. Now, the last one is short answer. Do they have lunch at school? Yes, they do. Does John drink pineapple juice? No, he doesn't. Does Suzanne like swimming? Yes, she does. Does the soup smell good? Yes, it does. Okay, so here we have learned how we are going to pronounce negative and how we are going to make sentences in the interrogative, like questions. So, now here I am going to make very clear, and please do remember this, kids, that in present simple with singular we use does. With singular we use does. But with do we also use I and you, as it is a singular. I and you is a singular word, but with I and you we use do. Okay, and with does we use he, she, it, and with plural we use do, you, we, they. With you, we, they we use do. Okay, and the verb form is always in first form. Okay. So I hope guys you have understood. Thank you so much for listening my video, for watching my video. And if you don't have understood somewhere, if you are having any confusion, please do comment on my comment box. And if you have liked my video, please do like my video and please comment on it. To subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, please subscribe my channel. The subscribe button is given. If someone has not subscribed yet, please do subscribe from there. And if you want to learn any topic which I have done in my previous classes, please you can go to the description box. Their link is given. You can go click on the links and you are going to get many videos and many more grammar videos I am going to upload. But up till now, whatever I have completed, if you want, you can go back and revise. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.